In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp using the latest update. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're logged in with the account that manages the group you want to move people from. This works best if you're the admin of the original group, because only admins can easily manage members and share invite links. If you're not an admin yet, you'll need to ask an existing admin to make you one before you continue. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the original group that currently has all the members you want to move. Inside the chat, look at the top and tap on the group name. This opens the group info page where you can see the description, media, and the full list of participants. Here, scroll down until you find the Invite via Link option. Different phones may show it slightly differently, but it will clearly mention an invite link. Tap on that. WhatsApp will now show you a unique link for this group. This link is what people can use to join a group quickly, without you having to add each person one by one. Now, before we use this link, we're going to create the new group where you want everyone to move. Go back to the main WhatsApp screen, tap on the new chat icon, and then choose New Group. Select at least one contact to start the group. You can remove this person later if needed. Then give your new group a clear name so members recognize it as the new or updated group. You can also add a group photo to make it stand out. After creating the new group, open it and again tap on the group name at the top to open the group info page. Here you'll also see an option to invite people via link. Tap that, and this time, instead of generating a brand new link and manually sharing it with everyone, you're going to paste or forward the link in a smart way. Go back to the old group, paste or share the new group's invite link into the chat, and add a short message explaining that this is the new official group and that everyone should join there. This way, every current member can simply tap the link to move over themselves. It's faster, avoids missing people, and respects everyone's choice to join. Finally, once you see that most or all members have joined the new group, you can decide whether to keep the old group for history or close it down.